When you're learning Welsh, it's useful to have one clear pathway to follow. A series of steps lead you from one level to the next, from beginners to confident speakers. Entry A1. This is the level for beginners. Simple words, sentences, and conversations. Foundation A2. On this level, learners will be able to talk about themselves and understand everyday expressions and phrases. Intermediate B1. Learners will be able to use the Welsh language in familiar situations at work, school, and during leisure activities. Advanced B2. You can discuss subjects and themes of all kind and converse and discuss quite confidently. Learners can follow pre-entry courses, pre-A1, which introduce very simple words and develop language awareness. Confidence-building courses are also available, which welcome people who haven't used Welsh for some time and help them restart their language journey. All these levels will help you to speak and enjoy the Welsh language. Join us on your language journey. Welsh belongs to us all.